And what lavesh are we eating?
Give me lavesh.
Oh no, what's the blackberries?
Sede.
Sede. Sede lavesh. Yummy? Finom? Oh, Molika Muka, more on your chin than in your tummy. I was filming my big girl, showing how she can eat properly. That's good. You're a very grown-up girl, aren't you? Pardon me, I did a boofing. It's a bit boring though, this film.
Just the film.
Say bye-bye. And I'll switch it off.
Can't say bye for me.
Well, there'll be lots of people watching this, so you could wave at the camera and say bye-bye. Come on.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye-bye.